Hey y'all, thought I'd share some opening of the Hello Kitty Miniverse and the Make It Mini Lifestyle. I have not played with either one of these actually, so these are new to me even though they've been out a while. But I wanted to share opening them and see what I got. My husband surprised me with a couple of these, and I kind of have been waiting to open them, and I couldn't wait any longer. So, oh, the ball is textured. I have not seen any of these yet, to be honest with you. I mean, I've seen them in the store, but I have not personally. So, oh, it hinges. Oh, it's like a Pokeball. That's cute. All right, so how do we open this thing? Oh, like that. Oh, wow, there's a lot going on in here. So, let's see what's in this guy. We'll slide these out the way. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's the table. I'm assuming that's the table. And this looks like probably a bowl. Oh my gosh, the tissue paper. That's too cute. Isn't that just the cutest little thing? Look at this tissue paper though. That is adorable. There's another one with tissue paper. This is absolutely getting saved. Oh. So we've got some berries of some sort. I haven't even looked at the book. Oh my goodness, the little placemat. That is super cute. I haven't looked at the book to see. I'm not going to cheat though, because if I look at it now, I'll be able to guess too quickly. Anybody having some Sanrio flashbacks? I am from that generation. What do we got going on here? Let's see. Oh, this looks like part of a display. I am absolutely clueless on this, so we'll just set that aside. It's so cute. Something pink. It's Hello Kitty pink milk. Oh, and some cereal. Oh, look at the little bows. That is super cute. So I'm guessing this is cereal. Oh, the tongs are a different color. Oh, look at this. It's a spoon too. I spray paint all my silverware typically. That way I can get it a little more metallic-y. But that's super cute. I hope if I spray paint it, you can see the details. That's so cute. So I had to stop for a second and try to figure out what's going on here. I'm pretty sure those go here. And I've seen other people have taken quite a while to figure out that the balls usually have some construction to them. I'm still not sure about how this goes on here. I haven't figured that part out, but I'm guessing this little part goes right in here, which is super cute. And it looks like this might pop somewhere on there. Oh, that's cute. And honestly, I might need some instruction on how this works out. I don't think it goes this way. Probably not that way, so I'm not even entirely sure. But, oh, maybe this? Guys, what am I doing here? What is the goal on this? Oh, maybe there? Is that it? Oh, maybe there, and there, and there. Oh, maybe that. Super cute. Those are adorable. Okay, so this goes somewhere as well. I'm thinking somewhere along these lines. I'm not entirely sure. Don't ask me. I'm not a professional at all of these. I'm going to slide this over and open another one and see if maybe I can figure it out from there. So, Here's another Hello Kitty. So I didn't make you guys suffer through me trying to get the package open, but let's find out what's in here. Oh, what are the odds? This is my first encounter with the Hello Kitty ones, and it looks like I got the very same thing, maybe. Okay, there's the spoon. Yep, it sure does look like I got the very same thing. Well, I don't know exactly how to put this together. I was hoping that I might pick up some context clues with a different little kit, but definitely ended up with two of the same ones. That's okay because I'm a big fan of the components anyhow, so I'm pretty tickled. Let's find out what's in the other ones. Okay, I totally think I got it figured out. That looks close enough to right to me. And I'm going to go in and check out these lifestyle ones. I had to take a break from Miniverse for a little bit. For no particular reason other than I was just kind of waiting out to see what they were doing with the resins and the things like that before I jumped back in and started playing with them. I don't have a problem with the original resin, but I do nails. Obviously, mine look kind of rough at the moment. I play with resin as it is. Not me over here fighting for my life trying to get this thing open. It would have been so much easier if I'd have just done right on the perforation like a normal person. Okay, that's new to me. I have not seen any that like had a tag woven. Like, it's actually all in there. So that's new. And let's actually try the perforation this time. If I can get it. You guys have to remember, I have dysfunctional arms. They don't always do what I tell them to do. So, let's see what's in this guy. Okay, I'm done fighting it, and let's find out what's in here. Oh. Okay, I'm not used to seeing the packaging like this. Just dump it all out. I save all these pieces. I turned some of my older ones into planters, which absolutely work great to start seeds. Oh, what's in here? What's in here? Well, isn't that cute? Let's find out what else is in here. There's a lot of chunky pieces in this. This feels really bulky. Oh. Oh. I love mica. This one looks like a really pearlescent mica. So I'm completely unfamiliar with this series as well. I haven't looked at any of it. I haven't seen any of it. This says liquid sand, and on the side it says jade. So I'm guessing that's the color for it. And there is a tip for something. I'm not quite sure yet what that might be. Oh, there's some more little components. Oh, it's to make your own teapot. Oh, is that what that is, a mold? Oh, color me excited. I have molds of my own, but I did not realize. Oh, it is. How fun is that? Oh my gosh. Okay, I've been out of it for a bit, so don't judge me, but that's cute. Oh, look at the sandpaper. Okay, that's absolutely not getting used, and that's just going in my garage, in my dollhouse. I'm totally leaving it just like that. Sometimes I just steal the components and put them in my houses. Oh, super cute. I always love the dishes. I love that they do the wrapping in this kind of way. I've got a whole stack of these as worn out newspapers bundled up in my garage. I probably should share those things. I don't share my houses quite that often, and I'm working on them all at the same time. Oh, this is, oh, how cute is that? Is that like a little paintbrush, basting brush? Some kind of brush, but that's adorable. That's going to end up as a component in my craft room of my dollhouse. I'm just going to set that there. So, I did not look at the little books. Let's find out. What is this? It's just to make your own little teapots. That is so cute. Oh, maybe I should have been being excited all this time. I took a break thinking I was going to wait it out and see what they did resin-wise and all that. But gosh, that's cute. I can't wait to play with that. Okay, now I have to open the other one. So I'm going to pop this open. Definitely had a fight trying to get this thing open. The struggle is real. So let's just dump it all out. And see what all we got here. Oh, these are some chunky pieces also. I don't know how they squished it all in there. Did I get the same thing again? I don't know. This feels different. I didn't look at the insert to be able to tell. Oh no, how cute is this? What is this guy? I should have looked at the insert. I don't look at them when I'm first discovering a series. That way I don't spoil my own surprise. Oh, there we go. Oh my, is that not super cute? Okay, but can we just talk about how adorable that thing is? So there's the legs for my stand. We'll get the boring stuff out of the way. Some tongs. Oh, what is in here? That's cute. Looks like a little poker chip. A little Beetlejuice poker chip. So, oh, it's stickers. Oh, you can put faces on it. Okay, loving the sandpaper. Totally loving the sandpaper. And what else do we have? Okay, way to confuse my brain. It says orange, yet it's kind of a lavender color. Uh-oh, something just went flying. So it was another one of the tips, and I'm a little confused on how those work, considering these bottles, maybe I just haven't seen it yet. I haven't figured out with the other one either. Oh, that's cute. It's another mold, and it is adorable. Let's see if I can pop it out of the package here. Oh, is that just so cute? I hadn't realized. And I'm not sure what this last piece is. What else could y'all possibly... Oh, it's the lid and the spout and the accessory. Oh my goodness, those are fun. I have taken a break, which probably for budget purposes, we all probably need a little break in our Miniverse obsession. But these are super cute. I can't wait to play with the mold because I have mentioned I have doll houses, and these are super cute for the scale that I work at. Not quite 1/6, and I'm not quite 1/12. I kind of just eyeball it, so I'm not sure what scale I'm at, but I think these could absolutely work no matter what scale I'm technically at. But gosh, those are cute. This little cat, I'm gonna have to protect him. I have to protect him with all my might, because my son is very cat obsessed. So those are pretty fun. I think you could have a lot of fun with the molds. I can't wait to test the new resin, see what it's like. I've seen people discuss that they didn't like the new resin, and that's okay. I have plenty of resin on hand, but these are pretty cute. If you happen to catch them, the only reason I have these is my husband found them somewhere, I think our grocery store, for $2 on clearance, and absolutely worth it. Totally cute. Can't wait to play with them, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, y'all.